Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this is obviously on this cute hair. It's definitely water wave, curly, like natural wave vibes. This hair is from LUVME hair. I've worked with them plenty of times. I absolutely love their hair. They were kind enough to give me like a little goodie bag. They gave me some lashes and just the goods. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. I make sure I have all the deets below. It did come with the adjustable band already attached, which is super good because I have a little itty bitty petite head. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's the wave pattern or the curl pattern for the hair, bomb. Okay, but let's get into the real like gag of this wig. It's the lace. It is undetectable lace. Like, yeah, you can't detect it. Like, you'll see in a minute. I'm gonna tell y'all, but look, this is not even glued down. It's not even glued down, okay? You're definitely gonna get more attention for the waves in your hair rather than your hairline, okay? Because everybody knows when you put wigs on and you get your lace, we don't want attention being drawn to our lace, okay? We want attention drawn to our hair and how full and thick this hair is. So yeah, here you just guys see me just cutting my little balding cap more. But look, even without actually going on ahead and gluing this wig down, it's undetectable. Like where? Look, it's nice, flat. Child, yes. Okay, moving along, I'm using my Bold Hold Active lace glue. I just pulled the wig back. I did bleach it myself and plucked it myself. However, like I said, it's undetectable lace, so you don't need to go on ahead and do everything that I did. This is just how I install my wigs. So I'm going to do the first layer just at the top of my head. I did cut the lace off camera, and the reason for this is because it's a lot harder at least for me, it's a lot harder to cut it once it's already on my head, and I just feel like it gives me a smoother install once the lace is already cut. That way I know exactly where I'm laying my wig at on my head. I did 3 layers of the lace glue, so now that it's completely clear, you do not see no white. We're going to pull our lace completely forward, and look, in just a second you will see how undetectable this lace is. Like, oh my gosh, it looks like it's growing from my roots, okay? Like, look at that. In a minute I am going to get closer so you guys can see, but look, sis, what? Look at that. I was so proud with this lace. The knots are super small on the lace as well, and it's just very versatile. Like, I feel like anybody, beginner or expert, can use this lace, and it's super convenient. Definitely would recommend. Same thing that I did to the middle of the wig, I'm doing to the sides, of course. I did cut my ear tabs off camera just to make sure everything was snug and fit to my head shape. You're gonna want to do that, obviously. But yeah, I actually want to do another video on cutting my lace with zigzag scissors. So I'm gonna pick up a nice pair of zigzag scissors, and I'm gonna do that for y'all. So I can show y'all, especially for the beginners that don't know how to cut their lace. I got you. It's coming, okay? Like I mentioned in my prior videos, I don't use a blow dryer when I'm installing my wigs. I literally just air dry. I let it get, you know, how it needs to get. But even with no baby hairs or nothing like that, you guys will see in a minute, me just even pulling the lace forward to actually lay on top of my head, it's literally melting into my skin. So that's what kind of lace you want. You want thin lace, you want small knots, and you want undetectable lace that you cannot see at all, whether it be on your arm, whether it be on your head, just in general. Oh, before I forget, another key tip here. So as you can see, I obviously did not line up my glue exactly where it needed to be. So I'm going to take a little bit of my lace glue, put it on the back of my comb, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that, and then boom, apply it to the section that is still lifted, making sure that it's still a thin layer. The thinner the layer, it actually dries faster if it's a thin layer also, so keep that in mind. This actually had to be one of the funnest wigs that I have done, that I did not have to do no baby hairs or anything like that on there. I still went on ahead and decided to do baby hairs, but look at that. This is just lace cut, glue down. It's giving scalp. It's giving scalpiana, okay? This is gonna definitely get you the attention that you want from your wigs. Like when we see people out, you know, they be wearing wigs, we do not want to see their lace, okay? We just want to see their hair. So definitely recommend to invest in one of LUVME's wigs. Child, I just had to keep stopping with the baby hairs because my son was going crazy. But anyway, yeah, like I said, you don't have to do baby hairs with this unit, but personally I did, and it gave me like the impression that it was just like curly hair, so why not do baby hairs, okay? But as y'all can see, I'm kind of taking out the little sections that's going to be our baby hairs. You could take out as much hair as you want, as little hair as you want, however you want to do your baby hairs, and however they really mimic your natural baby hairs. That's what I basically do. I know some people take out the whole front hairline and do it from there. Me, I just personally go into like the four corners, which is like the arches of my eyebrows, and the sides of the wig, as you can see. Once I get all that, I'm gonna tie the hair back just to get everything out of the way. Okay, so moving on to our actual baby hairs. I'm going to take my scissors. You can take a razor comb, but this is just what I had on hand. I'm taking my scissors, and I'm going to cut in like a jagged motion. If I can show y'all, I'm trying to perfect shit. There we go. Boom. So I'm not starting off too short, but I am cutting in like a jagged sideways motion, I guess you can say. Once I cut my baby hairs, be sure to not to cut too much off, because you can never go back, child. Once I cut my baby hairs, I'm going to take like this little itty bitty, I don't even know what size flat iron this is, but it's literally the smallest flat iron. It's supposed to be used only for your edges. But yeah, I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm going to flip the baby hairs up. I know some people flip them down, some people flip them up. Just flip your baby hairs, okay? That way, so that when you go ahead and lay your product and use your edge tame brush or whatever to do your edges, the hair already has like some type of texture to it and some type of flip and curl to it, if that makes sense. Alright, so I'm taking some wrapping foam and I'm using the little edge brush and I'm playing with my baby hairs. Yo, I had to keep stopping because I swear my son was having a fit, but he was really just over there making noise. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to actually use my brush and just create that C shape or the S shape, however you want to call it. And I made sure that I blended it completely in with the hairline. I didn't want to just have like just baby hairs just sticking out, like, if that makes sense. Like, nobody's baby hairs that look they don't look like that. So I blended them in completely with the hairline, and then in a minute I will show you guys how I do the edge part of it. I just realized I said the edge part and I meant the side part, like the sides of it. Y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm doing the same steps, cutting, but not too much. Okay, not too much. I'm going to take my flat iron. I'm going to flip upward or away from the face, and making sure that I'm really not burning myself. So be very careful when you're doing this. If you got a burn mark from this, do not blame me, sis, because I'm telling y'all, be careful now. Taking a little bit of wrapping foam or mousse, whatever you decide to use. I did put it on the hair as well, just because I wanted the hairline to just be out of my way. And yeah, y'all will see me just create like a C-S shape with the side part of our baby hairs, I guess you can call that. And boom, once I am done completely, like all of my baby hairs, I'm going to take a wig band. You could take a scarf, you can take an adjustable band, you could take like a wig strap, whatever you have on hand. I just happen to have this one, and I'm just going to take it and wrap it around completely so that our edges and our hairline is tied down. All that I put in this hair is just water. That's it. No product at all. And you guys will see the curls. No product. Nothing. Just a little bit of spritzing of the water, and it came back to life. Okay. And I did hot comb a little bit of the hairline and everything, just to make sure everything was flat. But in a minute I will show you guys the results. Okay, you guys, so this is what the finished product is looking like. As y'all can see, you are slaying, sis. All right, you're definitely getting more attention for your hair than your hairline, because nobody likes a bulky lace hairline. Not only that, but you can literally see the hair is slaying from the roots with this undetectable lace. So be sure to check out LUVME. I will have everything in the description below. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Honestly, I would recommend this curl pattern because it was super cute and it does not tangle or like get puffed up. Like, it's just, I don't have no cons with this hair so far, because y'all know I'm picky. But so far, so good. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.